receipts.
Okay, we are here with Gabby, and of course,
Erica.
no Erica. Okay, so who wants to film while I make a fool of myself?
I could do it.
All right. Okay. Cool. Everybody's getting there.
A boomerang.
Yes.
All right. So definitely cheers to having a great time.
Yeah.
All right. Now, you gotta make this one count. Get you to
Have an 11.
looking like a superstar out here.
Oh. It'll be. Aye.
So now Joy's coming up. She's picking the right ball. We're gonna see how Joy fares.
Bye, Gabby. Don't feel the same.
I need a different ball.
She's getting just the right ball. Oh, a little bit to the right. It's all right. All right, let's see what Erica does. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Second time up. I think Erica got that one. I think you got it. Woo.
Yeah.
Oh, you just left me hanging.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Good job, good job.
Okay, it's your turn.
Oh, shit already?
I was waiting for my son.
Ooh, like
Let's see what Erica knocks out today. All right. Ah. Oh, that's a little bit over. Okay.
still hit something.
I'm gonna compensate a little bit.
The side is there. I don't know how to get it. It's too close.
Two strikes on this one.
Oh, it was
Not bad.
Not bad. Oh, on the slide. Let's see if I
Ooh,
Ah,
that was close.
I'm getting it.
That was close. We're back at it. Why are you throwing it?
Here we go. You got it. You got it. Oh. You almost had it.
And now how can you decide? Okay.
What's up, Swellen?
Ew.
Ah. Huh? Me? So Gabby has me beat almost right now. Oh, okay. That was pretty good.
I'm trying. Keep trying. Keep trying.
All right.
We're like,
I gotta pull this one out. Yeah, so you know, the defense was hard tonight. I had to come with strikes in the end. I settled for a spare. You know, Erica was on the wing side.
He never got a strike. Just so you know.
Erica's on the wing side providing assistance. We had Sue Ellen, who just subbed in. She did a fantastic job. But it was a hard win tonight, and I had to pull it out. You know, so
Next time I'll be better.
subscribe here and subscribe to my channel. Oh, you might have got that. That one didn't turn out so good.
Vai.
All right, Sulian, it's all up to you, baby. It is all up to you. Yeah. Okay. Respectable.
Vai, mais uma, gata.
Once again. Maybe. Ah, ok.
Ele tá sempre lotado. Quando eu tô indo pra Zona Sul, ele tá sempre lá. You have been in Tijuca wearing Abby? You go to Tijuca sometime? Yeah.
We're gonna do here. We're gonna look at the game board. We're gonna see how everything is working. And by the grace of goodness, I think I can hit a strike. Yeah. All right.
That's why.
We got a killer right here. That could have been disastrous. She killed it once again.
Good job.
All right. Ain't nobody clap for me.
No.
Come on. Vai mandar um strike? Vai mandar um strike? Promete? É certeza, tipo, 100% que você vai fazer um strike.
Ai, eu não acredito.
Sai!
I know.
Because when you are like, you can